Hi, let's continue with Cypress. I'm copying salary and I'm pasting it. And right now I'm going to rename it. I'm gonna call it mocha.sci.js to demonstrate Mocha. Right now we have three eats or three tests inside the describe group. So first of all, I want to run only one of them. This one. I'd like to remind you about Mocha syntax. So we applied it individual test, we applied describe, which is group of the tests of individual tests. Now we're gonna apply skip and only, and there are before each, after each, or before and after, simply speaking, okay? Now I'm back. I want to skip this one, first one. I'm gonna run only weekly, only, and I'm going to skip next one, just for demo purposes. Skip, only, and skip. Now file, save, and run npx Cypress open. It should run only one test, which is weekly. Let's go with TUI. Let's go with Chrome. Now you know the drill. We're in specs. I'm looking for our new test. It should be Mocha. And I'm going to run it. It should run only one test inside the describe group. Good. Now all tests passed. Now I wanna enlarge my Chrome browser. And I wanna show you that it ran from calculator group. It ran only weekly salary calculator, as we expected. Okay, good. Now I'm going to return here. I'm gonna close it and simply close it. First thing first, I want to clear my terminal to keep it neat. Now, I wanna rename it. Missed one, not Mocha, Mocha. Good. Okay, good. Now, I want to apply something else. I'm removing skip. I'm removing only. I'm removing skip. Now, I comment this navigation and wait after navigation in each. I'm going to file, save first of all. And now I want to apply something else. I want to apply, like in Playwright before, I want to apply it before each method. Let's click on it and let's see the example. Before each, we simply copy it, or better I go describing hooks. Do not forget the hooks. Before, after, before each, after each, the hooks. We're gonna add a description. So I'm copying this one before each. I return to my Visual Studio Code. And I'm pasting it here. Now, before each test, navigate to common URL, or better, navigate to shared common URL before each test. Okay, function good. Please notice it doesn't include it, simply method before each. Now I copy this one, paste it here. So before each method, it should, we disabled navigation in each test. Let me check, double check again. We disabled it. Okay, and before each method, we navigate to the common URL. Save. Now, I'm gonna run it. npx Cypress open, and it should go to 3 tests together. Click on enter. Know how it works. We inspect once again, not in runs for failed tests. They're defaulted for failed tests. We inspect. Here it is, Mocha. Click on it. Let's see how it works. As you can see, execution was full success. In Mocha test.cypress.js, we had calculator group, which successfully executed with using before each method or hook, daily salary calculator, weekly salary calculator, and monthly salary calculator. Once again, first time I forgot to put it to the right size. Now I want to explore them, let's say in Edge. Executing first one, daily, Now we go to weekly. Once again, I choose the busy screen. That's why element. It's not a simple screen. Finally, monthly. Great, total success. Very good. As we expected. Now I return here. I close. Close again. And that's it. And I want to clear my busy terminal. That's it. Now you learned about almost everything or everything about Cypress hooks and method application. Practical ones, for example, you want if you located a set of tests inside the group, so you want to be able to skip one or to run only, or like here demonstrated to apply before each method, which is very practical if they're visiting and sharing one common URL before each one, right here. Pretty easy and pretty functionally effective. Thank you. See you in the next lectures.